Hey guys, it's Caaliyah and I'm back with another video. So I honestly was not doing anything. Malia is at daycare and Samaya is asleep. So my hair is straight and I don't have any videos to film. So I've been thinking of different videos to film while my hair is straight. And if you haven't seen the video for this, I'll put it down below. This is the 4th day of it being straight and yeah, still looks pretty darn good. I haven't wrapped it or anything at night, so my edges look a little crazy. I just sleep on it because I suck at wrapping. But anyways, back to the video. As you can see in the back, I do have packages, so I'm going to be doing a P.O. box unboxing video where I just show you guys what people have sent to my P.O. box, and it can be a variety of different things. You will know that if you have watched my last P.O. box unboxing video, so if you haven't, I'll put it down below. But yeah, pretty much I'm just gonna get right into it, and I'll put all of the brands and stuff in the description box. I know my last video, it took me a minute to get all that info in, but it will be in this time, so stay tuned. Alright, so I have a small package from Sahel Cosmetics. So let me get inside of here. Okay, so from Sahel Cosmetics, I have hair vitamins and spirulina. I don't know what that means, but it says it's an advanced hair support formula, promotes hair growth, healthy skin, and strong nails. So hopefully you guys can see that. So yeah, I have been getting sent a lot of hair vitamins lately. These ones are like, you know, the big hair vitamins, I'm sure, because I can hear it. So I'm a little scared because I hate taking pills, you guys. Like, I cannot swallow them. I be trying to swallow it and I end up choking and dying. So, but thank you for sending these because I'm trying to grow my hair, y'all. I feel like my hair has been stuck at the same freaking length for like the past year or something. Oh, I don't even know how long, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, this one, it just says from Eyeliners, so I'm guessing it's eyeliner. Ooh, I hate when the freaking packages be so hard to open. Okay, it's actually not eyeliner, you guys. It's sunglasses. So, alright, you guys. So I have a little card, and it says, my name is Shay, and I own Eyeliners, a sunglass and eyelash website. I've been following you for quite some time and wanted to send you some glasses. If you like what I've sent you, then feel free to shout us out. So thank you. Let me show you guys the glasses. So they sent me these. These are super cute. I'm gonna try them on. I have not worn glasses in so freaking long, you guys. I like these. And they sent me these ones, which I really like. Oh yeah, I freaking love these. Okay, and it's starting to warm up here in Ohio, so thank you so much for my glasses. Let me show you them one more time. These are super duper cute. All right, who's this from? Let's see. Another package. Okay, so this is from Fancy Curls. And the Fancy, it stands for Forever Adoring the Naturally Curly You. Crafted by chemist Courtney, is it Bulu? I think that's how you pronounce it. So, yeah, it's a fancy whipped butter, and the ingredients are organic shea butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, glycerin, aloe vera gel, and essential oils. So, this is what it looks like. Whipped. All right, so let me open this. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It's a yellowish color. It smells so good. I don't know why I'm getting like maple donut vibes. Maybe I'm just hungry because that's my favorite donut. But let me try some on my skin. And it's so... this is so good, you guys. It is so softening. Yeah, softening. I was saying softening. And it just melts right into your freaking skin. I also like that it's not like super greasy like a lot of, I don't even know if you guys can tell. You guys probably can't. A lot of butters, I hate when they're like overly like just oily. Like this really melts into your skin. Gives a nice shine, but it's not like over the top. I really like this. So I'm guessing this is just a body butter. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. Thank you so much. All right, this is another package. I know I opened it, but I honestly don't remember what it is. I opened it because it was international. It's from, it says Great Britain. So I was like, what the heck? So yeah. It says HairFlair. I guess that's the brand, HairFlair and Styleformers. I don't know, HairFlair Styleformers. So they sent me a Shine Silk Styling Lotion. Then they sent me an Extra Hold Styling Cream. And it says Styleformers. I've never heard of that. I'm sure you guys have heard of like curl formers and stuff. So I don't know what Styleformers are. But yeah, it says that they're gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate free. So I'm sure these will probably be used with like curl formers because I saw, yeah, it says curl former on here. So this would probably be really good for that type of style. Yep, it says for setting with curl formers. So I actually got rid of my curl formers because I hated the way they were like super flat, but I do still have the wave formers, so maybe I could use them again. I don't know. All right, you guys, so this is from Hair 369. They have hair vitamins, and they sent me their new gummy vitamins. So I have seen this brand on Instagram, and I've seen like a lot of curly girls that I know use these, so I can't wait to try them. I'm honestly gonna pop one or two probably in my mouth now. Yeah, so they're new hair gummies because they did just have the vitamins, but like I said, vitamins, I don't like vitamins. So these are their Sweeties Hair Growth Chewies. Promotes healthy hair growth, strengthens nails, and improves skin. They come with 60 of them, and I'm about to open this. Ooh, and they are heart-shaped. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Look at that. Look how cute that is. It's a little heart. These are really good. I don't know if my teeth are just sensitive, which they kind of are a little bit, but these are really, really sweet. I like them. It tastes like freaking candy. It says that they're vegetarian, gluten-free, soy-free. So yep, I probably will be trying these for the next month. Maybe I'll document it since I just trimmed my hair. They did also send me this oil. Yeah, Hair 369 Scalp and Hair Growth Oil, and it has eucalyptus mint and also argan, jojoba, and vitamin E. So perfect for my scalp, and it has a little dropper, which always comes in handy. I was gonna try and open it and smell it, but let me see. Let's see what that smells like. That smells really, really good. I don't know if it smells like eucalyptus because I don't know what that smells like. Eucalyptus mint. It smells so freaking good. It's like a perfume or something. Okay, I like that. So yeah, probably using this on my scalp as well. All right, and then I did already open this, but this was sent to me by my friend. She has a business called Sonshine Enterprise, and pretty much it's where she's speaking on like growing your business and like building your credit, getting rid of debt, how to save. So she helps with that type of stuff, and then she also has started to sell like products, so like t-shirts and things like that. So let me show you the t-shirts she sent. They're so freaking cute. I'm gonna show you the girls ones because they are so cute. Okay, so I think this one is Samaya's. Look at how cute that is. And it says breaking boys' hearts and mommy's piggy bank. That is so freaking cute. What size is this? Okay, this is 12 months. She's really tiny, so she probably won't be fitting into this right now. Matching one for Malia. And then mine says, I shine when I grind. And it's in my favorite color, pink, of course. So love this. She also gave me this little bag right here. It says Mommy's Juice Boxes. It did have some straws and stuff in there, but Malia got a hold of it, and yeah, I don't know that. But yeah, these are super cute, so I can't wait to put them on the girls. So definitely check out her business. I will put it in the description box with everything else. Alright, so I got some more products from Lux Mane, and I did show you their products in my last P.O. box, but they did also now send their hydrating hair perfume, and this is lemongrass. Sorry about the glare. I hate when my brightness be up too bright. But then if I fix it, like, I be all dark, so. They also sent me their Ayurvedic, is that how you say it? Conditioning tea rinse. So I'm sure you have to mix it in like water. Okay, so they also sent me their Ayurvedic growth and strengthening treatment, and it's supposed to be a deep conditioner that strengthens and revives weak, brittle hair. Ooh. Ooh, this is nice and freaking thick. Ooh. It smells very herbal. That's what their products smell like. And it has some stuff in it. It's probably herbs. Alright, and then last but not least, they sent me their Ayurvedic Herbal Detox Clay Cleanser. And it cleanses, conditions, softens, and detangles and defines. And it's sulfate, paraben, mineral oil, and fragrance free. Again, sorry about the glare. So yeah, I do plan on doing like an entire hair routine using Lux Mane now that they sent me all of their products. I think it would be cool to do like an Ayurvedic like hair routine, I guess. I got this package from Facetory, and pretty much they are like a subscription that sends you a bunch of different face masks every month, I believe. So they did send me, I don't know if I'm on their PR list or what, because, oh, I am. Duh. I was about to say, they always sending me stuff, but I'm on their PR list, obviously. Yeah, they sent me a bunch, y'all, of different like sheet masks. So that is the type of mask that they send. I have this Be Bright, Be You Brightening Gold Foil Mask. I have a pore bubble mask, which I've always wanted to try a bubble mask, so that's cool. This one's a Revital mask. This one is a gold mask. So they always send a bunch of cool different masks to try. This one's a white tea one, a refresh mask. So yeah, they're pretty cool. It does, what is this? It says mention code Hazel to your subscribers to get a free kit, Forever Fresh kit. You'll get 4 hand-picked sheet masks, and all you have to do is pay shipping, which is $2.95 if you're in the US. So yeah, y'all, use my code Hazel on Facetory and you could get 4 free masks. All you gotta do is pay $3 for shipping. So that is pretty darn cool. I didn't even know that they had that. So yeah, you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox all the things that have been sent to me. Yeah, if you have a business and you want me to potentially use your products, or you would like, you know, a little bit more exposure, definitely send your product to me. I will have my P.O. box in the description box, and my P.O. box is always in all of my description boxes, most likely at the bottom. So I'll put that down below, and you can send me anything, you guys, anything that you think I would use. So obviously hair care, anything that has to pertain to that, but you can even send me beauty products, you can send me clothes, you can send things for the girls, you can just send anything. Someone did actually send me a Mother's Day card, which was really nice of them. So I don't have it with me right now, it's somewhere in my drawer, but I was definitely very appreciative. Y'all, I talk so fast sometimes, I be like talking, like stumbling over my words. I was very appreciative of that. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.